Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today we have an unboxing. This is my mother Barbara, and Barbara, you love accessories, right Barbara?
Mm-hmm.
You like handbags?
Yeah, really nice.
Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing. These were actually our bags that we got for Christmas. Barbara has not seen hers because it was a gift, but she wasn't here for Christmas, so I saved it. And then the other two, somebody gave me Christmas money, so I bought these. So, okay, Barbara, you go first. Okay, so this is your, this is for you from me and your grandchildren who are 2 cats and a bird. So,
What should I do with it?
open it.
Oh my gosh. It's Christmas?
Well, it's not Christmas, but it was for Christmas, but you weren't here at Christmas, so I didn't want to give it to you at the nursing home because, you know.
Yeah, they would take it.
That's right. They would, or, you know,
I'm
do
not good at
something.
opening this.
Do you want to help you?
I don't know. It looks like it's... How'd you do that so
I
fast?
don't know. I wrapped it, so I'm not. All right.
The wrapper.
No, you
God.
just slide it. There.
Slide?
Slide it.
Okay, let's slide it.
Okay.
It slid.
All right. So just, all right, here, I'll take this.
Right? What do you want to do, kitty?
Okay. The kitty is at the window behind us, or in
Yeah.
front of us, I should say.
Yeah.
Okay, it's flying on the neighbors.
Oh, so cute.
All right.
Open it?
Yeah, open
Oh my
it.
god. I hate this.
And if you hear somebody calling Barbara in the background, that's the parrot. Because he's obsessed with my mother. So he's going to come down and play with her later. But right now we're doing this.
He's not obsessed with anything.
He is obsessed
It's such
with
an
you.
easy name to...
No,
they
he's
all
obsessed
know.
with you. I think you're his girlfriend. Oh, Chrissy, it's all right. We'll be there in a few minutes.
Girlfriend. Oh god.
Getting it? You gotta work a little faster. Right?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There we go.
The people on the internet need to see you go fast. You would move a little faster.
Who are they? Who are these people?
There are lots of people who also like bags. Okay, so they want to see.
They
All
like
right,
bags.
so you open it. Let's. Oh no. Do we have to? Okay, here. Okay, this way.
Oh,
Okay.
oh
There we
nice.
go. Oh,
Coach.
From Coach.
Oh my god.
Okay, so you want to open this?
Oh, not really.
What do you mean, not really?
Is that cute?
Okay,
Oh,
well,
that's
people can't
nice.
see, so.
No. But it's a coach. It looks like a
Coach
coach.
bag. It's a
Like
coach.
like a horse pulling it.
Right, it's a coach bag. Okay, so open this. Move this way so people can see.
Wow.
Okay, so you pick
Isn't
it up
that
out of there.
beautiful?
Take it out of the box. So just take this out of the box.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll move this so people can see you opening it.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Oh. Am I getting married?
Do you get a handbag when you get married?
No, because it's white.
Well, it's just that's the
Oh my god.
pouch. It's called the dust bag.
Oh.
You like it? Well, take
Be
it
it
out so
blue.
everybody can see it.
It had to be blue. You know that song?
Yeah.
It had to be blue.
So there, it's the
Oh, how
denim.
beautiful.
The
Oh.
denim Tabby.
Oh wow.
Isn't it nice?
Beautiful.
I just want to show it
Gorgeous.
to everybody. It's the denim Tabby.
Uh-huh.
You want to, and it's the, is this the 20? Yes, it's the denim Tabby 20, which means like 20, it's the size is 20, I think 20 centimeters.
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
isn't
the
that
sea-
nice
yeah,
to
beautiful.
see?
Beautiful.
Do you want to, like,
And
take
look,
one?
my
And yes, I had your
Oh my
initials
gosh.
stamped on there. So let's show everybody. On the tag, I had
Yeah.
her initials stamped.
yeah, isn't that beautiful?
And see, so it's the Coach tag, says Coach in the front, and on the other side, your initials.
Oh my gosh.
So let's take
Beautiful. Absolutely
the,
beautiful. And beautiful
the
blue.
plastic off. Yeah, why don't you open it? Let's see.
It had to be blue.
Okay. So, oh my goodness, there's all this stuffing inside. I'm
Stuffing.
gonna get this out of it. So there you
Oh, there's
go.
more.
I know. You want to take it all out? You can leave it.
Not
in.
really. I don't know where it ends.
And let's see that.
Oh, maybe this is
This-
part of it.
This is
Yeah.
the chain,
Oh.
and you can. I think you can do it like a shoulder. I think you can do crossbody shoulder and also Well, you can hold it like this, like you
Wow.
put over your arm.
Yeah, it's nice.
Or you could do it over your shoulder. Hang on, we gotta get this out. You may have to cut this.
Mm.
You have to, let's see if I can split it.
Beautiful blue.
Well, Dad's denim, which is your favorite thing, right?
Well, blue is my favorite color.
But isn't denim your favorite thing in the world? You love denim. How do I open this?
Oh, I don't know. It's a C. What does it say?
Right, C for Coach.
Coach.
I'm back with the scissors, so we're gonna cut this, and let's get this all off of it. There we go.
Wait, that might.
Sorry.
All right.
Sorry. Cut the tag off. And here's the price. Can you see the price?
I can't see that.
I'm not showing it to you, I'm showing it to them. You can't
Oh.
know the price. It was a gift.
Oh, really?
The people who are going to watch the video. Okay.
Oh my God.
So, let's see. And let me see. Okay. Wow, they really wrapped this very well. Okay. No, it's good. It's good.
It's
But
good.
it's just a lot to get all of it, like to get it all taken off. Oh my God. You okay?
Well, okay. I just ate part of it, but that's okay.
Oh,
This
funny.
is good.
All right.
It had to be blue. It had to be blue.
All right. Oh, here comes the lady next door with the dog. The cat's very happy. The
Oh,
cat
really?
sits on the windowsill,
window?
and she spies on the neighbors, and
Oh my
you can't see
gosh.
her, but we can see her. She's the
Wait,
lady
on
next
top?
door. Just took the dog out, and she sits right over there on the windowsill, and she likes to watch the birds, but she likes to watch the neighbors. She looks right in the neighbor's window, which
Oh
is
my gosh.
nice.
Which window does she look out? That
Right
up
there. No, right where she's sitting.
Oh.
All right, wait a minute. Let me do this. Okay, so we got that off. So here, so look, so you can do it like this.
Yeah, that way, yeah.
Or you could do it like just
It's too
one.
yeah.
over your shoulder. But I
Yeah.
think it's nice, so you
I
have
like
mo-
it too.
Okay, and
Yeah,
then
that's
we
right.
put that over your shoulder.
Beautiful. Oh,
and then
and blue.
inside it's got, well, you know what, let's just leave this stuffing till you use it,
Yeah.
but
Beautiful.
it's so nice, and it has,
I
a
know.
back pocket
Uh-huh.
right
so
there,
nice. Oh, it's
and then
lovely.
it has the
It really
this
is. I love blue, that's my favorite
know.
color.
denim you love too.
Yeah.
And the 2 pockets and then there's gotta be a zip pocket in here, right? Too. Well, there's
I
this
don't
pocket
know.
in the front. Let me see. Is there a zipper
On the
pocket?
bottom?
Maybe not.
What's this?
No, that's just the tag. So no, so we've got that space.
Yeah.
So there, one
Beautiful.
pocket, and
I
then
know.
we've got
You
the
know I love
second
everything
pocket
blue.
there, and then this pocket in the front.
It's over there.
You don't spill that on the bed.
No,
please.
but
All right.
same
And
color.
I thought this was nice that the
That's
C
beautiful,
was
I
pretty.
know.
So all right, so let's put this back in here so it doesn't get dirty or messed up.
I know.
Okay, and now I'm gonna open
Beautiful.
what I got. Okay, and I'll do it a little
Yeah.
faster for everybody.
No, it's really beautiful.
Okay,
You
so
like blue?
these 2 bags,
Uh-huh.
I have wanted them for a while, and then somebody sent me Christmas money, and I got them. So here, excuse me. So I'm gonna take this one out, and let me take this. Okay, let me put this in here. I don't want to box this to get rid of it. So this pack. I thought we took a peek to make sure it was okay. Maybe I didn't. Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, obviously I've seen them because I ordered them, and one of them I ordered on the Coach website, and one of them I ordered from Neiman Marcus. And with Neiman Marcus, if you spent, they were having a promotion. If you spent a certain amount of money, you would get a gift card.
Oh, nice.
So I got a $50 gift card
Wow.
from the one from Neiman Marcus, which was great because I put that towards a Valentine's gift, which we'll unbox next time. So, okay.
That was a nice gift.
This. Let's see. Now, unfortunately, I think the season has passed to wear this, but it is a
Yeah.
velvet.
Oh, beautiful.
It is the Tabby
Oh, wow.
in velvet. It's the color.
Beautiful.
The color is Merlot. Isn't it pretty? And it has silver hardware.
No, drink on.
Right. And it's also the Tabby 20. It's basically the same bag as you have, except it's in velvet, Merlot color
pretty.
velvet. And yeah, so although maybe if it gets cold again, it's a beautiful day here today, but if it gets cold again, maybe I'll try and use it. Isn't it so pretty?
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's exact. I'm not going to open the whole thing up, but it's exactly the same as her bag.
I know, it's beautiful.
Except instead of denim, it's velvet.
Oh.
So that's one. Okay.
And what color would you say
It's called
it is?
Merlot.
Merlot?
It's like a
like the drink?
like right. It's like a what do you call it? Burgundy. Well, maybe burgundy.
Burgundy,
I would
yeah.
call it like burgundy.
Yeah.
Or yeah, like burgundy.
Very
It's
nice.
burgundy. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful color. Silver hardware. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay.
Very nice.
And now the last one, which is also mine, is this little one. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. How cute is that?
Oh, nice. Beautiful.
How cute is that?
Yeah, very nice.
And this is
red, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
it's called Ruby. They call it
Ruby.
Ruby. And this is the Cassie, the model is the Cassie 17. I love this. It's a little mini bag and it's just so cute.
Yeah.
I love the Cassie crossbody, the full size, but I just thought this was adorable, like
It's nice.
to, just to like, running errands, to wear a crossbody, whatever. I just
Beautiful.
thought it was so cute. Now, this color would have been nice in the holidays, but you can wear this all year
Yeah,
round.
sure.
It's so
of
cute.
course.
So anyway, so there you go. So this is
Lovely.
this is my Cassie 17 or mini Cassie in Ruby. My Tabby 20 in Merlot. And Barbara's
Blue.
denim Tabby 20.
Yeah, beautiful.
So that's it. Thank
I
you
know,
for
they're
watching.
gorgeous.
Aren't they nice? All right,
Yeah,
thank
all
you
of
for
them.
watching, everyone. Bye.